Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sandra Sibanda, and in today's video we are going to do a full face makeup tutorial. If you are interested in this look, just kindly keep watching guys. Subscribe, like, share and comment. I would appreciate that, and let us get into this popping makeup tutorial. You can do it for yourself, for your auntie, for your clients. So first of all, I'm going to put concealer. So for this you need to put concealer that is matte, not oily, and I'm going to put the transitioning shade, which is the lighter eyeshadow. Yes, I'll put it just a bit above my crease. Then I'll darken it with the purplish eyeshadow, which is a bit darker. Then I'll put that lighter eyeshadow, which is mango orange, to blend. Then I'll cut my crease. Sorry for that, I didn't have the eyeshadow base, so I cut my crease with the color corrector. So I put the eyeshadow, shimmery eyeshadow, and I blended with the dark purple at the end. Then I'm drawing my wing eyeliner. So I went on to put drops of glue and some glittery that I have. You can put rhinestone for this on top of my eyes, just as a design. You can design the way you like. Then we go to the lashes. So if your lashes are bigger than your eyes, you trim them off with a scissor. Then you put exactly on the belt. Then you curve it so that you can fit the eyes. And then this black eyeliner, lip liner, you can put on your eyes. Then we go to the foundation guys. So when putting foundation, avoid to apply under your eyes so that it will not crease by the time you put concealer. This is for beginners, but if you are a professional, you can do anyhow you want it. So for the concealer, use a concealer that is lighter than your skin tone, 2 shades lighter, or which is not too far from your skin tone, so that you can blend well in the eye, in the foundation. Then to blend the concealer, kindly tap. Do not drag your brush, because if you drag, by the time you put powder to crease. So for the powder, I'm going with my compound powder for the first, which is the same shade of my skin, just to set my concealer. And then I'll go with the setting powder, which is lighter than my skin tone, on top again, just as to bake. So tap when you are putting your powder. Then I'll go with my bronzer, exactly where I am putting guys. That's where you put your bronzer. So just kindly tap or swipe a bit. Then I'll bronze my nose as well. Then I'll put the powder again, just to gain the shape, to shape it. Then I'll put my blush. Then I'll go on with the highlighter on my lips. Then on the bridge of my nose, I'll highlight later. Then I'll go with the lipstick, as you can see guys. So this is the matte lipstick that I always go for, and the matte concealer. Matte things, they don't have oil, so they can stay long. That's why I prefer to go with the matte things. Then I will use my mouth to blend. Usually I do not go with the brush to blend my lips. I rub my mouth together, my lips together to blend. Then I will swipe all the powder. Then I will use the beauty blender again to blend, so that we remove all the harsh lines that can be gotten. Then we spray. Then after spraying, before the spray is dry, we already put the highlighter on the bridge of the nose and on the cheekbones. Then boom, we are done. we are done, guys, without forgetting to put mascara on your underlashes, then guys, we are done. If you are interested in this look, give me a thumbs up, like this video.